Training gloves. These are the versatile gloves most commonly used in boxing gyms for everyday sessions. They typically weigh 14 to 16 ounces and feature thick foam padding over the knuckles along with strong wrist support. Designed for a balance of hand protection and feedback, they work well for pad work, light bag sessions, and basic drills. Many beginners and intermediate boxers rely on a single pair of training gloves for general practice because they offer enough cushioning without sacrificing too much speed or feel. Bag gloves. Bag gloves focus on heavy bag and focus mitt work. They usually come in lighter weights, around 10 to 12 ounces, with denser, firmer padding that resists compression over repeated impacts. This design helps develop proper punching technique and hand conditioning, since the impact is transmitted more directly to the knuckles and wrists. They became popular as training specialized in the modern era when heavy bags grew heavier and sessions more intense, distinguishing them from all-purpose gloves by prioritizing durability and feedback over broad protection. Sparring gloves. Sparring gloves prioritize safety for both partners during practice fights. They are heavier, often 16 ounces or more, with softer, multi-layered foam that absorbs and distributes impact. This extra padding reduces the risk of cuts, bruises, and hand injuries, while still allowing realistic movement. Sparring gloves evolved as boxing training emphasized controlled contact, and they remain standard in most gyms, where fighters simulate bouts without full power. Their larger size and cushioning set them apart from lighter training or bag options. Competition gloves. Competition gloves are made specifically for amateur or professional bouts. They are lighter, typically 8 to 10 ounces, with less padding to allow cleaner, more powerful strikes under official rules. Regulated closely by sanctioning bodies, these gloves balance protection with performance, so punches land with greater effect. In professional boxing, they have been refined over decades to suit the demands of timed rounds and judged fights, making them distinct from training gloves by their compact feel and reduced bulk. Mexican-style gloves. Mexican-style gloves feature a sleeker, more compact design with a snug fit and tightly molded padding. Often favored by professional fighters and serious trainers, they provide excellent wrist support and a locked-in sensation that enhances speed and power. This style gained popularity through Mexican boxing traditions, where fighters value precision and durability in high-volume training. They differ from standard gloves in their narrower profile and firmer construction, giving a more professional feel even during gym work. Muay Thai gloves. Muay Thai gloves accommodate the sport's use of elbows, knees, and clinch work alongside punches. They tend to have a wider cuff for better wrist mobility and slightly different padding distribution that supports blocking and grappling. Developed alongside Thailand's national sport, these gloves emphasize versatility across striking ranges. They stand out from traditional boxing gloves through their construction, which handles the varied impacts of full-contact kickboxing while still protecting the hands during heavy bag and pad sessions. Lace-up gloves. Lace-up gloves use traditional laces instead of Velcro straps for closure. This method creates a tighter, more customized fit around the wrist and hand, preferred by many competitive boxers and trainers for its secure feel. Lace-up designs have roots in early modern boxing and remain common in professional settings where trainers wrap and tie the gloves before fights or intense sessions. They require assistance to put on but offer superior stability compared to hook and loop versions, especially during long training rounds.